Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have 3 NFTs here that I got for free, and these NFTs here are actually worth over $550, which everything that I got is for free. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this totally free also. And there's another NFT you can actually claim, which is more it has a value of $2,000. So but I've not yet claimed that, but I'll be trying to claim that in this video also. But I've claimed these 3, so I'll be teaching you in this video how you can claim that. So if you're interested in this kind of video, or if you want to learn how to claim this NFT for yourself also for free, just make sure you like this video, as it will really help our channel out. And just make sure you subscribe. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let me just quickly go to my another wallet. So as you can see here guys, apparently there are 3 NFTs in my wallet which I got totally free, and these NFTs are meant to be worth presently, these ones, everything, if you get everything all together, it's meant to be worth over almost $3,000. But this one's currently is that over I think $600 and something dollars. It's meant to be worth over $600 and something dollars. As you can see, these are 3 NFTs which I got for free. So in my channel, in my previous videos, I also made a video on how to get this for free. Those that claimed this should have gotten it now. Some had issues with it, some were able to claim it. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim it again, and in the next video also I'm going to be showing you how you can exchange it and the prices these things are listed for. So if you're interested in more of this kind of videos, or you want to see the second video where I'll be teaching you how to sell it and how to exchange it for real money, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notifications bell and set it to all, so you get notified anytime I drop a new money making video, so you end up being the first person to actually make money from it. So being that said, for those that didn't see the previous video, I'll just be doing a quick recap of what it is. So first of all, you have to go to the link in the description box to download this app called Browser, or you can just download it on the Play Store. Anyhow, you can either download it on the Play Store or download it using the link in the description box. So once you download it, you have to open it, and you see claim your free $100 NFT, but that's not where you're going to click. So you just go up here, you click on it, then you click on settings. So once you click on settings, I think first of all you won't see this NFT rewards, so you have to connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. So once you have your Trust wallet installed, all you have to do is click on the wallet type of wallet. Let me disconnect this because I saw some of you were having issues with this the last time, so I just disconnected my wallet. So this is how you're going to see it. Let me go back again. So you just click on connect wallet. So this is how you're going to see it. Just click on Trust wallet or whatever wallet you're using. So I'm going to click on Trust wallet and I'll click on connect. So once you click on connect, as you can see, browser wants to connect to your wallet. Just click on this connect button here. So when you click on that, you then go back to your browser app again. See this as well. So when you go back to your browser, you show on that interface. I think this was where some were having issues. So it will show this again. Then you click on go to Trust Wallet again, and you finally click on sign transaction. So it has finally connected. So here, as you can see it. Yeah, as you can see, your wallet has now been connected, so you just click on done. So for some of you that have done it, you can actually, the NFT, you can just click on OpenSea to check the NFT. Click on OpenSea and go to your profile, your hidden NFTs tab. It will be there, so you have to unhide it. I'll be teaching you how to do that in the next video also, when I teach you guys how to sell it and get the money in US dollars. So if you want to see that, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video if you enjoy, and if you've claimed this token, this NFT, if you've gotten this NFT, just make sure you drop a like on this video also. So now to get the NFT, the free NFT, after you connect your wallet, you just go to this NFT rewards section. So once you go to NFT rewards section, as you can see here, it's an event where they do, as you can see, you can share browser app and get paid with NFTs. So basically what you just do is, as you can see, when you have only one referral, you get an NFT worth $50 here. So when you get 10 referrals, you get $100 NFT for free. So everything here is totally free. You don't have to pay anything or do anything to get anything. It's totally free. You get it in your wallet, but it might take maybe a few days or something like that, anyhow, or at least it's free. So once you get $25, you get $400 NFT. So basically what is in my wallet now is about $550 worth of NFT supposedly. So once you get up to 100 referrals, you also get a $2,000 NFT. As you can see, this is blank. So once you just refer only one person, you get $50 NFT. So it will show here that congratulations, you received your $50 NFT. But before you see this option, once you first click on it, you won't see this option. You have to input this code right here, 128EJ, in this box down below. There's a box down below here. You just click it there. So you just paste the
code there and click on enter, so it will then start your account for you, so you'll be able to claim the NFTs for free. So guys, I think that should be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have claimed this NFT, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I'll be dropping the next video on how you can swap it for real US dollars. So thanks guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.